Hey guys, Frank from Adventures Outdoors. Today I'm doing an unboxing for it's a Blackout Comfort Max 360 blind chair. So this is a chair that's designed for your deer blind. I picked up two of them at Cabella's. They were 60% off. So they're regularly somewhere around $110. I got these for about, I think it was like $48. So that was quite a deal, really. So I picked up two of them. Anyway, let's unbox it and see what it looks like. All right, let's have a look. Alright, so that comes with a little strap. Yeah, I mean, they looks pretty nice. Obviously it's got to be put together. So why don't I put it together and we'll have a look at this. So this is how it comes packaged. So looks like it's gonna be a nice chair. So it comes with comes in two pieces. So there's a little swivel part here. It's probably easiest if you just take that swivel and just turn it so that you can get at the ability to put the screws in. It came with a little bag of tools. Instructions. We don't need any stinking instructions. So let's see, a washer, and it comes with the Allen key as well. It comes with the Allen key to screw all this together. So that makes it easy enough. So it comes with a strap to carry the chair. So if you're going into your blind, you can carry your chair. I just unpacked the other box that I had because I bought two of them, and it's missing the strap. So I guess it's a phone call to Bass Pro. So the Allen key that comes with the chair, I think I'm just going to use some electrical tape, and I'm just going to attach it right here. And that way, if I'm in the field and I got to tighten it up, I'll have the old Allen key will be right there. So put one more piece right there. Of course, you know what will happen is I'll forget that Allen key is even there. All right, let's have a look at it. So it just slings over the shoulder so you can carry it. It's kind of convenient. And should have done a test run, but I think it just opens like that. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. It's quiet. That's one of the most important things, that it's quiet. So yeah, I think this will work out. So it's the Blackout Comfort Max. Is that the French side? Comfort Max 360 blind chair, and that's going to work out really well. I do like it. Yeah. It's going to be good. Looking forward to it this fall. Nice and comfortable. Gotta get ready. We use these chairs all fall hunting from our blind, and let me tell you, they were super comfy, super quiet. Yeah, I love these chairs. We'll definitely highly recommend these chairs. They were perfect for the blind, so it was money well spent. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.